Hello, fellow socials. Today we are going to show you some new and exciting developments about our one and only Web2Social Chrome extension. Also, we are going to give you some more examples about how to use our simple yet effective tool for content creation. So, let's start with something good. As you can see, this is the social media influencer article from Wikipedia. Nothing fancy here. Let's open our extension with a single click. At first glance, you can already see our first new feature, the Autosave function. With the latest upgrade, our extension auto-saves your latest prompt to prevent repetitive typing. Also, it remembers your sharing preferences. Now, that's something fancy. Okay, let's click Generate to create some content and make the magic happen. By the way, remember that you can create content in so many different languages. Yeah, we know how cool that is. Oh, the magic has happened. Let's check out the results, shall we? As you can see, our system has created different content for each of the platforms we have chosen. Our AI model is trained to create different narratives for each of the social networks. That's why all of the created content is unique. Remember, you can copy the created content with a single click, or you can open the relevant social media platform and post the content directly. Okay, now let's change the tone a bit and create something more witty. As you can see, our system can create based upon your needs. If you need something professional, so be it. Or you are trying to become a friendly person. Good for you. All you need is Web2Social. Anyways, let's continue with witty. Let's assume that I am trying to become an influencer and I think that I am the best there is. The only thing holding me back is that I don't have enough followers yet. So I want to shout out to the world that I'm still the best, even if people don't appreciate me enough. And after clicking all the boxes, because naturally I want to share my feelings about myself in every social network I have joined. While the magic is happening, let me show you other fancy new features we have prepared for you. First of all, now we have tabs to make your lives easier. With the help of Support and Feedback tab, now you can easily submit support requests, report bugs, or give feedback. Yay! And here is my favorite, the Quick Access button. By activating Show Quick Access button option, you can place a mini version of our extension on any tab you are using. By placing the button anywhere you want, you can reach our cool algorithm with just one click in any website you are visiting. So, have you chosen your favorite position for our Quick Access button? And finally, with the help of Profile tab, you can directly access to your subscription preferences. Okay, let's have a glance back to our journey as an underrated influencer. The system has already created unique contents with fairly different narratives. So, what is common in all these posts? Of course, it is me being the best, just as I have requested, haha. So, that's a wrap, fellow socials. Remember to follow us in our social media and stay tuned for fancy and exciting new features to come.